So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail account without verification code for password and phone number. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your Google browser and just search this Google account recovery. And once you click search, find this account. Once you click on that, head over to your below until you find this option, can't sign in for another reason. Just click get help signing in, and of course your issue is you forgot your password. And once you click on that, don't click the first link but click the second link, this one, tips to complete the account recovery steps. And once you click on that, you head over to account recovery page. And once you click on that, any random guesses for your password here, and you can try. And as you can see, you don't have your phone number, then you can simply try another way. And again, if you don't have any other access to Gmail, then you can simply click on try another way until you find this screen here. Then simply after this, click on your new tab in the Google menu and simply type support.google.com. and once you click on that, and once you are here, simply click on the Google account help here and describe your issue. Just type in recover. And once you are here, simply click on the community section here and just head over to post a question here. And now that you are here, you simply type in the Google your issue, that is Google recovery account recovery. As you cannot recover your account here, simply type this. And you can also simply add a screenshot or explain the details in more confidential way. And simply you can simply type in things like this in here, and in on category just type in account access and recovery and hit the next, and simply choose account recovery. And now click on next step here, and from here you can simply click on the next step here. And once you are on this page, simply select the device your issue occurred on and just do it accordingly and click the next step, post on by clicking over here. Once you do that, you can simply click on post from here. And once you post the option from here, you will be redirected to this account. And as you can see here, most questions are replied within 24 hours, and they will send a Google recovery Gmail from here. And you can simply type in here, and after 24 hours the team will send you with the link from which you will be able to change the password for your current Gmail account. So that's it guys, that's exactly how you can recover a Gmail account without verification code, password and phone number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.